Ryan Kupal. I work for Weiss Johnson Electrical. So on a standard home, the amount of work and energy we'd have to put into drilling for switch placement, the amount of wire we would have to pull for 3-ways, 4-ways, and to really get what the customer wants would take us almost a full day more of work than what Levven Controls saves us. So in a standard home, you would have your light switch located right next to your door, and you would have a wire for power coming in, a wire for power going out, and you'd have a wire sent up to your light. So with Levven Controls, all this is eliminated completely, starting from the box to both the wire coming in, wire coming out, and wire going up to the light. So it really saves us both the time of mounting the box, pulling 3 wires, stapling, cutting it in, splicing the neutrals. It's a good amount of time, and when you multiply this across the entire house, the amount of time saved is just insane. When we'd have stair areas like this, normally it's very difficult to get up and down with wires because normally there's beams, there's so much lumber in these areas that it's so difficult to get that many wires and controls in. But with Levven Controls, all we have to do is worry about the light, which is very simple, and then after the fact, the homeowner can decide how many switches, what orientation, what placement. It's completely up to them, and it just gives us so much versatility and saves us on so much work because just having to wire into this such a tight area with so much lumber is so difficult. We don't have to worry about switch placement at all. We only have to pull power to lights, which saves us material, time, and really gives the customers the choice to put switches wherever they want, even in locations where you normally couldn't have a switch. And it's just ultimately changed how fast we can get a house done and how happy the homeowner is at the end of the process.